Before we begin, make sure your phone is ready. Roblox requires at least Android 8.0 or higher to run smoothly, and you'll need around 150 to 200 megabytes of free storage space for the app and future updates. If your device is older or doesn't have enough space, the game may lag or not install at all. Once that's sorted, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar at the top, type Roblox and press enter. You'll see a list of results, but look carefully for the official app by Roblox Corporation. You can confirm it by the familiar black and white Roblox logo and the huge number of downloads. Tap on it to open the app page, then press install. The Play Store will handle everything for you, downloading and installing the latest version. After it's done, tap open to launch Roblox. From here, you can either log in with your existing account or create a brand new one to start playing. And that's it. You now have Roblox installed and ready to go on your Android device in 2025. Once you're inside Roblox, scroll through the game list or use the search bar and type Prison Life. It's one of the most popular maps. Tap it, hit the green play button, and you'll load straight into the game. Now you're ready to start playing Roblox on your Android in 2025.